the famous chicken breasts from the world's most famous restaurants. I'll start by slicing 700 grams of chicken breast into fillets. I'm giving the fillets a few light taps using the back of a knife. That helps the seasonings soak in better. I'm seasoning with salt and black pepper to taste. Now I'll spread half a cup of cottage cheese over the fillets, making sure each one is coated. Tell me how you usually make chicken breast at home. I'd love to hear your recipe. Now we'll stuff them with 150 grams of shredded mozzarella. And before I forget, tell me what city you're watching from so I can send a big shout out. Today's shout out goes to Megan Lawson from Charlotte, North Carolina. I'm so happy you're enjoying the recipes. Season with garlic powder to taste. Add some spinach. Place a slice of tomato on each fillet and roll them up. Once you make chicken like this, you'll never want to do it any other way. It's super easy and the result is incredible. Now I'll transfer everything to a baking dish. In a bowl, I'll mix 1/4 cup of mayonnaise with 1 tablespoon of mustard until smooth. This sauce is so good. Let's brush it over the chicken. And of course, you can use a different filling or sauce. Just go with the flavors you love most. Now it goes into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Then I'll add 200 grams of shredded mozzarella mixed with chopped parsley over the top. Back in the oven at the same temperature for another 10 minutes. Then come back here and tell me what you thought. I'd love to know.